Very good day. This is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, introduce myself. After that, tell about my trip experience. Then, the weather in San Andres. And finally, recommendations if you go to San Andres. Let's start. My name is Anderson Céspedes Marín, environmental engineering student, and I'm living in Valparaíso, Caquetá. I'm 27 years old. I like to play football. Continue vacations in San Andres. Okay. Vacation in San Andres. My experience in San Andres. This trip was over 2 years ago. To the island was the whole family. We were for a week. It was an unforgettable experience. Appreciate the immensity of the sea. Also, the animals we observed. I recommend this a beautiful place. Okay, and the weather in San Andres. The weather in San Andres. San Andres is a sunny place. So the weather was warm. But it is also a place breeze. Recommendations when going to San Andres. It's recommended that people use a burger in San Andres. It is necessary that children don't get away from your parents. It is advisable that children don't go deep into the sea. It is better that roads be more watched. To take into account what people should do. People should go to the blue holes in San Andres. What people should do? People should go deep in the sea in San Andres. Okay, and thanks. Bye bye.